Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to set Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 10 PC or laptop, very easy. First you click on Start and click on Settings. After click on Apps and second option Default Apps. Now scroll down, here option Web Browser. So click this drop box. And as you like, choose Microsoft Word, Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Vivaldi, etc. So this matches Google Chrome. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to set Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.